singap. To nakaliang jongi ka message ka bangin ra show Education Minister. We want the release of all the 5 months. Close video. Kada ka jigger pa. Tilada ka kami kano min sa simpar ya karay hang tay hapo madan maki. Kumanga mene ka intention jongi kamdiban tentu ya kaya kayeng jong kibabon balang general public. Okay. Te kata along ka jigger pa nakaliang jongi singap ha singap ya kay kabangin. Kay kabangin ra so Education Minister kalong bangin keren ba unpelai ya ka sari jongi Boro Sandra. Biar kata. Tingin sa singap kay kabana kaliang jong ka gomen kadon banong kabay day batanika. Dan ta hadin ba nila wan bari kendo yung Education Minister. Yin wan biang but yin pasiyaw happy kay kabami nakajing keren biang.
Assurance punching to.
Okay. Tola na what assurance ang idon kambat ka?
Jingto!
Yakaniro ira so Education Minister. Badang don siya din singap hayeng hang to kajaka ba pipidon mo. Singap ya kanika jimpun mana ngay layo kitin ay magistrate ba nakaliang jong Education Minister ila kot ya keren yangi. Te akabay day pat kani ngiwan ra hakmat jongpi ki paranohikai langin na le yakren ne hindi kumno takadi number 1. So we are here to announce to all our SSA colleagues that few minutes back we have received a message from the magistrate that the Honorable Education Minister Sir Lakman Rumbui have invited us for a talk. Bien. Okay, please.